Are you ready to turn your love for awesome products into a money-making adventure? Welcome to the ultimate guide on how to make some extra cash on TikTok using the TikTok shop for creators. In today's video, I will cover some very important steps that you need to know if you want to get started and if you want to make a ton of money. So get ready to unleash your creativity and earn big. Let's dive in. So first things first, in order for you to start making money on TikTok shop, you have to join the TikTok shop for creators program. And these are the current qualifications that you need in order to start. First off, you are going to need 5,000 followers on your account, and you have to be over the age of 18. So if you meet those criteria, you can simply go over to your profile and join the creator program. Step number 2, it is time to spice up your TikTok profile and make your personality pop through. That is how you're going to make the big bucks. On your TikTok profile, you need to add a short bio and a couple of categories that interest you, categories that you'll be making videos about. This is very important, and I'll talk more about that later on in this video. With TikTok shop, you're simply reviewing and recommending products to your audience, to your followers. So having a couple of categories to focus on is very important. You shouldn't try to conquer the world all at once by reviewing and recommending every single product in every single category. You do not want to have a TikTok account where you're promoting car tools one day, you're promoting music speakers the next day, you're promoting shoes the following day. If you spread out all over, chances are you're not going to develop that core audience that you need in order to make the big money. A lot of people that I've seen make thousands of dollars every single month. I'm not talking about 1,000 or two. I'm talking about 20, 30, 40, $50,000 a month. A lot of them focus on one category. They pick something that they love and they review and recommend products in that specific category. For example, if your category is cars and all you do is talk about cars, how to fix them, how to improve them, the tools that you are using and stuff like that, if you dedicate a TikTok page just for that category, chances are you'll be able to make a ton of money. You'll be able to build that core audience that loves cars and tools and fixing stuff as much as you do. And then you'll be able to get free stuff from TikTok shop that you'll be able to review and promote. So if you're able to find a tool that you absolutely love, you can make 10, 20, 30 TikToks about that specific tool, and you'll be able to make passive income from those videos over and over again instead of stretching out and branching into every single category. Step number 3 is to request some samples. In the beginning, this is a little bit tricky simply because you have to decide what you want. You have to find samples that fit your category. For example, if you're talking about cars, you need to request samples that are related to your category. This is the best way to get approved for samples. Also, it really helps if you have a couple of videos talking about that specific category that you are looking to promote. For example, if you're fixing a car, you can make 3 or 4 TikToks about fixing your car. And then in the following, you can request car tools, scanners, all kind of stuff for your vehicle. Then you can review it and post even more videos. The more videos you post about a specific category, the more free samples you're going to get related to that category. So in the beginning, you might receive a free sample for a car phone charger. But after you build up, after you get some sales, and after you start generating some revenues, you'll be able to request even bigger samples. So you can go from promoting a car charger to promoting a $200-300 car jack or a car OBD2 scanners, all kinds of stuff worth hundreds and hundreds of dollars. The more revenue and results you generate, the more samples you're going to receive, bigger and better samples. And best of all the samples that you get to keep all the free stuff. Step number 4 is after you get those samples, you got to start generating some content. You got to start making some videos. Personally, I highly recommend you get products, you get samples that you're going to use. Products that solve problems in real life. Everyday problems that people have, find products that will solve those problems. Like I said again, this is where categories are very important. If you find a product that will help you fix something on your vehicle and your category is cars and all you do on your TikTok page is talk about cars, chances are you're going to generate a ton of sales. But if your category is vehicles and cars and fixing stuff, and then you randomly post a video on a brand new shirt or something completely not related, chances are you're not going to generate those sales and you're not going to make much money. Products that solve problems, that solve challenges, that make people's lives more exciting are the products that are going to generate the most sales. Trendy products, products with a purpose. Step number 5 is to engage with your community. After you start posting a couple of videos promoting those products, promoting those samples, the best thing that you can do is go into the comment section. Talk with your followers and answer their questions. If they have a specific question about a product, you can make a video response to that exact same question, generating you even more sales. So every question that you get regarding a product, you should answer with a response. This way you're creating more content, you're helping out a follower with a question, and you're still tagging that product into your TikTok video. So definitely take advantage of the comment section in every video that you post. Your goal should be to help your community and answer as many questions as possible. And always make sure to give honest reviews. Do not exaggerate the benefits in order to generate sales. That will destroy your community and it will destroy the trust that you have built over time with your community. Always be honest. Even if it means generating less money in the short term, your honesty will earn you even more money in the long term. Step number 6 is to put in a lot of work. I'm talking about posting 1 to 3 videos every single day on TikTok. These videos can be reviews, they can be recommendations, they can be helpful tips, they can be questions, answers, anything, as long as you're consistent in posting 1 to 3 videos. A lot of people that have TikTok shops, they're literally posting 3-4 videos every single day promoting one specific product. And a lot of times all it takes is one video to go viral to get you 1 million, 2 million views and for you to make life-changing money. I'm talking about 50,000, 100,000, and maybe even more. So consistency pays off in the long term. The more you post, the better chances of you making money. Step number 7 is to analyze your results. When it comes to TikTok, you have to be on top of your analytics. Trends change constantly and you have to be on top of them. TikTok provides an amazing insight tool that shows you exactly what your audience is looking for and what they are searching to buy. So you can focus your content to those specific categories and those specific products in order to generate sales. You have to fine-tune your strategy so you can watch your influence and income grow to new heights. And before I end this video, making money on TikTok is relatively new compared to YouTube and other platforms. So there's going to be a lot of ups and downs. There's going to be a lot of account banning. There's going to be a lot of starting over from scratch over and over again. There's going to be a lot of glitches, a lot of issues. So be patient and work your way through it. It will pay off in the long term. I have had already 10 plus accounts get banned, get violations, and I had to start over multiple times, but it is definitely worth it, and I'm definitely thankful for all the passive income that I'm currently making with all of my TikTok accounts. So there you have it, the ultimate playbook on how to make some money on TikTok Shop as a creator. This is just a little intro. I will be making a lot more videos on this topic, so make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for those videos. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. I'll be glad to help out. See you in the next video. Peace out.